Hi everyone, it's so good to see you all. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up there, better known as the Baking Diva. This is going to be a short video today. I know you're not used to me doing real short videos, but this is going to be a short one. And it's going to be, I guess you could say, an appetizer, a snack, a lunch, whatever you feel you want it to be. But whatever it is, I'll tell you, it's delicious. It's low carb, keto friendly, and nutritious, and good for you. At least I think it's good for me. And before I forget, if you are new here, I want to thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see today, hit that little red subscribe and the bell next to it. And that's it. You'll be a subscriber, you'll help my channel to grow, and you won't miss any of my future videos coming up. So, without further ado, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. So, today I'm making for you an egg BLT. It's an egg BLT appetizer. Now, what are you going to need for this? Well, let me show you. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is hard-boiled eggs. Now, I pre-cooked my eggs before the video for the sake of time. So we're going to need hard-boiled eggs peeled. We're going to need some bacon that I cooked. Now, you can cook your own bacon. You can buy that bacon in the store that it's sort of pre-cooked and you put it in the microwave, but you need cooked bacon. You're going to need some lettuce, and I like the kind of the baby romaine or the romaine lettuce. You can cut it into pieces, and you're going to need some tomatoes. Now, I like the tomatoes. Don't buy the big tomatoes because they don't work very well for this. You can buy the smaller tomatoes and slice them. And you're going to need some mustard. If you want mayonnaise, it's your preference, or any other condiment that you choose. Now, you're going to also need either a toothpick, or what I have these little bamboo picks. Oh, I love them because they make it look so pretty on the table. But I got mine, of course, from Amazon. They came in a big bag. There's like 200 in there. They'll last me forever. But you can use a toothpick, if you want. So what are we going to do first? Okay, so I'm going to have the camera zoomed in here on the board so I can show you what we're going to do. So you're going to take your hard-boiled egg lengthwise, and you're going to just cut off a slight piece of the side, just like that. And the reason we're doing that is because we turn the egg over and it will stand up level and it won't be roly-polying around. Now you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut the egg lengthwise right down the middle. So there you have the two pieces of your egg, the part that you cut off the bottom that's flat, and the other part that's roly-poly. All right, now what you're going to put on here is, I already cooked my bacon, so I'm breaking off a little piece of the bacon here, and I'm going to place my piece of bacon right there, as you can see, on the egg, on the half of the egg. Then I'm going to take a little piece of maybe my lettuce. You can use some romaine lettuce. I'm going to put that on there. Then I'm going to take a little slice of my tomato. I have my small tomatoes and I cut them lengthwise. So I'm going to put that on top of there. There you go. Maybe if you want, you can put another little piece of bacon. So let me do that. Whoopsie. Okay. Now, you can put either a little squirt of mustard on there, or you can put a little squirt of mayonnaise. I'm going to start out this one with just a little tiny bit of mustard. There we go. Now I'm going to take, you can put another piece of lettuce on top if you want. I'm going to take the other half of my egg and I'm going to press it down gently on here. I'm going to take one of my bamboo skewers and I'm going to push it right down into the middle. And there you have it. Isn't that awesome? And then what you'll do is you'll take a little bit of your ground pepper and a little bit of salt. And there you have it, your perfect Egg BLT appetizer. And they look so awesome on the platter. So I'm going to show you a close-up. So let me make another one for you. And just remember what I said. These are low carb, keto friendly, they're filling, they're delicious. So take your knife, hold your hard-boiled egg lengthwise, and just cut a little tiny bit off there so that it sits level. And then we're going to go right down the middle and cut this baby in half. There you go. And I have one of those Dash egg cookers that you cook your hard-boiled eggs in, so they're done so easy in no time at all. All right, so now I have my flat half. I'm going to take another piece of lettuce and put it on there. I'm going to take a nice piece of bacon. Oh, that's a big piece. A little slice of my tomato. If you want, I'm going to leave it up to you. You can put another little piece of maybe lettuce on there if you want. And what do you say we put another tiny little piece of bacon on there? Because who doesn't love bacon, right? Alrighty, let me just break that off. Woo! And then I'm going to put a little bit of my mustard on. Some of them I like to make with mayonnaise too. Just a little bit. Put my top on my egg. Let's see what direction it's going. I can't really see under all the lettuce. Let me see. Let me turn this baby around. I don't know. Put it here. And then I'm going to press it down a little bit. I'm going to take my bamboo skewer and I'm going to push it right all the way through the middle down to the end. And there you have it. I'm going to hold this up so you can see these. Let me put a little crushed pepper on the top. Oh yeah. A little salt on the top of here. And that is all there is to it. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I'm going to make quite a few more. And then I'm going to taste one for you. And I'm going to show you how beautiful they look on the platter. My dog Brownie is barking because, of course, she smells the bacon I cooked and she wants to eat it. So let me just make one more. Take your hard-boiled egg, lengthwise, just cut a little sliver of the white off so it sits flat like that. Cut it down the middle. Couldn't be easier. And let me tell you, you put these out on a platter, you're pleasing everybody. They look delicious, they taste delicious, and they're low carb. Brownie, no. Brownie, no, you can't have any of this. Sorry. I'm going to put my little piece of lettuce on there. Oh, I cooked lots of bacon. Not going to go left over in this house. I'm going to put my piece of bacon on there. How about my piece of tomato on there? Oh, yes. Maybe another tiny little piece of lettuce. It's really up to you, however you want to build it up. And another little piece, no Brownie, another piece of bacon, and then a little bit of mustard. And I'm going to make some with a little mayonnaise too. Okay, going to put my top on there, press it down a little bit, take my bamboo skewer or pick, stick it all the way in, and there you have it. Whoa. If these don't look good, well, let me tell you, I don't know what does. Let me bring the dish over here. Put a little pepper on there. Oh, yeah. A little salt. And imagine a platter full of these. I'm going to make maybe about a dozen of them, I think. So hold on, don't go away. I'll do a close-up for you and we're gonna do a taste testing. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying this. It's a satisfying, it's a filling, it's a low carb, it's a keto friendly, it's everything. It's a great little appetizer or lunch or whatever you'd like to eat it for. So you want me to do a taste testing now? I'll make some more, but before that, I'll do a taste testing. So let me just take one of these babies. Oh yeah. And, oh, so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna bite right into it. Let me take my pick out. And here we go. Ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. Woo! That's spicy mustard. You can use regular mustard or mayonnaise on here. Really good. If you like deviled eggs, this is like over the top deviled eggs. It's an egg BLT. And I know you're gonna love them. So please give them a try. And if you like them and you make them, let me know what you think. They're so, so good. And I want to thank you all for stopping by and watching me make this great little appetizer. You know I love you all. Don't forget to come back and see what the Diva's making next. So for now, let me take another bite. Oh, so good. So for now, have a great day and I'll see you all very soon. Toodles!